You know a lot of stuff? Yeah. Do you have a girlfriend?
Well, Jack has one, and her name is Devin.
Who is Jack?
One of my brothers.
One of your brothers? She's pretty, isn't she?
Yeah.
You like Devin, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Jack doesn't share her with me, but Devin does. Don't clap for me.
Jack doesn't share her with me. Well, the old stingy Jack. Got to put the stop to that. Jack is messing up, man.
Yeah.
This is really good. Hey, I've got some President flashcards here.
Yeah.
And I'm going to hold them up.
And then I say the names.
You say the names. Let's see. Who is that?
Grover Cleveland.
What do you know about Grover Cleveland?
He was president 2 separate times.
2 separate times.
Yes.
Did y'all know that? Ain't no way in the world you knew that.
So it goes Grover Cleveland.
Okay, now let me ask you this right
Grover
here.
Cleveland.
Who is this?
Barack Obama.
Tell me, what's a fun fact about President Obama?
He won a Grammy Award.
How do you know that? President Barack won a Grammy Award.
Yeah.
Hey, take them looks off your face. I got a 4-year-old blowing y'all's mind.
Yeah, you do.
It was the people checking each other. When? Barack ain't win no. Yes, he did. All right, let me try this one right here.
Got it. Ulysses S. Grant.
Yeah, that's who it is.
Yes, it's Ulysses.
What can you say about Ulysses S. Grant?
He got a speeding ticket on his horse.
Got no way of checking that. Why? Okay, let me see if you know this one right here.
Okay.
Who's that?
William Howard Taft.
You know anything about him?
He got stuck in the White House bathtub.
He got what?
Stuck in the bathtub.
Oh, he got stuck in the bathtub.
Because he was too big. So they replaced the bathtub.
He got stuck in the bathtub.
Yes.
Okay. I said, uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What about this one? Look.
Thomas Jefferson.
Are you serious? He got all of them right. What do you know about Thomas Jefferson?
He was not a very good public speaker, but he was an excellent writer.
He wasn't a good public speaker.
Well,
You my man, I like you, man.
thanks.
Yeah, because you're like really the sharpest kid.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Yeah, no doubt about it.
No doubt
I said about it, me and Tommy on the block. Making it happen, we know the president's drop. Yeah. All right, let me see. Who is that? Look at that. Let me show you this. Look. Who is this?
John Quincy Adams.
Who?
John Quincy Adams.
How does he know that?
Well, Martha Van Buren.
He
English.
was the president?
Yeah, Martha Van Buren. English was his second language.
English was his second language?
Yes. See?
Tommy, I'm impressed with you. I got a surprise for you. You're gonna be the president one day, right?
I want to.
You want to. Hey, you ready? Come here, man. Look over there.
Okay.
So you can practice being president. See, this is Tommy for President, and this is a presidential motorcade, and when you take it home, it really works. You can really drive the car. Come on in here and get in and see what it looks like. Come on over here.
Okay.
Yeah, get on in there, man. Get in the presidential motorcade.
Okay.
He said, okay.
Got it.
Get in, man. Shut the door. Boom. That's your ride. Tommy for president, everybody.
Okay.
Tommy for president.
Yeah, Tommy for president.
Hey, see more kids with extraordinary talents on my new show, Little Big Shots, Sunday nights at 8, 7 Central on NBC. Hey, folks, welcome. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click here to subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss a single hot new video, some really good stuff. And then I want you to click here to see more clips from the show right now.